Hey guys, this is Writing with Phonics, page 25 and 26. All right, so number 1 says to match the letters. So up here we have the letter T, so we're looking for another letter T on the bottom, right there. Up here we have an L. We're looking on the bottom for an apple that has an L on it. Right there, good. Up here we have the letter I. We're looking for another letter I. Good. And lastly, we have an E. We're looking for another letter E. Good. All right, so we are going to practice writing our H. It is in the upstairs and the downstairs. This is what we like to call a teenage letter because it's not quite a capital letter. It's not a capital letter, but it's bigger. Part of it is tall like a capital letter. So the one part of this letter is going to go from the upstairs to the downstairs, and usually lowercase letters are in the downstairs only. But this one is one of our teenage letters. It's a pulled. Whoop! Miss Hendry is writing funky today. It's a pull down with a hump. 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 Good. And then let's practice again. Pull. Goodness gracious, Miss Henry, gotta get more comfortable. Let's see. Pull down with a hump. 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 That's what we have our eraser for, though, because sometimes we make mistakes. Thank goodness for erasers. All right, our capital H is upstairs and downstairs. It's a pull down, push across the dotted line. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Pull down, push across. Let's flip over on the back. All right, H is for hippo up here. Cool. So let's write the lowercase h. Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. You have a blend. I, hi. Let's write that. I, hi. Let's write the capital H. Pull down, push across. 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 All right, capital E is going to be a pull down, push across, push across, push across. Lowercase e is push across, up, and around. Capital E is a pull down, push across, push across, push across. Lowercase e is a push across, up, and around. Again, pull down, push across, push across, push across. Lowercase, push across, up, and around. This is the capital L. Pull down, push across. Lowercase, pull down. Pull down, push across. Lowercase, pull down. Good. All right, friends.